Hi, this is Will. Excel is a feature-rich spreadsheet program that can be used to manage data. Today we will explore advanced features of Excel, including relative cell references, conditional formulas like if and SUMIF, and absolute cell references. Students in the Financial Management course can find a copy of this workbook in the Financial Management Excel course located in Moodle, titled Advanced Excel. Let's begin first by calculating the inventory for the daily need using relative cell references. In column G, we want to find the value of the inventory for all of our item categories. So let's first start by creating a formula. All formulas in Excel begin with equals. And we're going to select the current cost in cell D3, and we're going to multiply it times the number that we have on hand, E3. And we'll hit enter. This has created the inventory value for pastry flour. If we copy the formula that's in G3 and carry it down to the cells below it, it creates a relative reference. Basically, it points to saying that if we take D3 times E3, we'll return an inventory value. If we copy that formula down to the next line, it will say D4 times E4. And so on and so on. That's a relative cell reference. As the formula is carried down to the next set of cells, Excel assumes that you want to continue to calculate the same formula. So now that we have our inventory value, we're going to copy that formula down to the other cells. So by moving the cursor to the bottom right hand corner, we create a handle, and if we select that handle and drag it all the way down to the bottom, we copy that formula. We've now created a series of relative cell references to calculate the inventory value for the daily need. Down below, we'd like to find the total value of this column, and this is a sum formula. So we're going to type in equals. All formulas begin with equals. And we're going to type in sum because that's what we'd like to do. And we're going to add a parenthesis, and we're going to select the cells that we want to sum, which is this whole row, G3 through G26, close the parenthesis, and we'll hit enter. We've now created a series of relative cell references to calculate inventory value, and we've totaled the value. Let's test our work. We'll change the number we have on hand for flour to 4, and we should see the inventory value go down and the total value decrease as well. Let's test it. In our next tutorial, we're going to look at creating conditional statements with our inventory to determine whether we want to buy or not buy additional inventory based upon our PAR level.